Hey guys, Russell, House of Two Wheels. Here's another one for today. This is an awesome bike. I don't know how I've come across this, but I have. This is a 2012 Night Rod. So 2012, but it's a 100-year anniversary special for Harley. So it was a real special one they did. Now this is absolutely original condition. There's nothing changed. I'd struggle to find a scratch on it. I'd struggle to find a mark on it. It runs perfectly. 100-year anniversary bike. Tyres are real good. Everything's really good. So like I say, I've just got to comply it next week again. That's the same thing, but it's got a screen on it. It's done 5,600 miles. It's done, so 9,000 Ks. So, but there's nothing. It's just immaculate. All under the seats, immaculate. All the chromes. It's just so virtually impossible things to find, especially with those Ks on it too, you know. So I don't know where it's been hiding. It's been in someone's garage somewhere. It's got heated grips. That'd probably be the only extra that it's got, I think, apart from factory stuff. But even under here, like it's just everything fits. I've had a few things apart, and it's just all the wires in the original places. It's just nothing's been hacked with that I can see. So there it is. I'll just quickly start it up. Doesn't really sound like a V-Rod, but there you go, that's what they should sound like. Original pipes. Obviously it's a 1250. It's got ABS. It's got all the emission compliance stuff with it. So this will come fully complied, registered, warranted on the road, and will be ready next week. So if you're looking for an absolute mint collector's item, we've got it here at House of Two Wheels. So there it is there. So if you want it, give me a call. Russell, House of Two Wheels.